Mike, an American student, was about to start an exciting adventure. He had been accepted into a program that would let him study in France for a year. This was a dream come true, but Mike had a big problem: he didn't speak French. So, he decided to learn as much French as possible before he left, which was only a month away. With just 1 month to prepare, Mike knew he had to move quickly. He researched different online language learning platforms and decided to study intensively. He started by learning vocabulary. Every morning, Mike spent 20 minutes learning basic words. The video lessons kept him motivated, and he quickly learned basic phrases. One evening, Mike found a post about a virtual French immersion event. Interested, he signed up for the event, which promised hours of speaking only French with fluent speakers and other learners. Mike was excited but also nervous. This would be his first real test of his French skills. The immersion event was intense. From the start, Mike was surrounded by French conversations. At first, he struggled to keep up. But as the minutes passed, something happened. He began to recognize familiar words and phrases, understanding the meaning of some conversations. The fluent speakers were patient and encouraging, which helped his confidence grow. By the end of the event, Mike felt a great sense of achievement. He had managed to hold a simple conversation. For the first time, Mike felt like his efforts were not in vain. This experience made him more determined to keep learning and improving. With persistence and stepping out of one's comfort zone, anyone can achieve personal growth. If you want to participate in a virtual French immersion, you will find a link in the description, under the video. Thank you for watching. Don't hesitate to like and subscribe.